balik tayo dito sa Kababayan Today at alam naman natin, tayong mga Pilipino mahilig magbarkada. So, Ryan's gonna introduce me to his friend who actually lives here in Los Angeles. Ryan?
Yeah. So the way Next Day Better works is that the reason why we've grown so quickly is that each city, its speaker series event, is led by a city curator. That is a person that's connecting, finding the speakers, and leading the different communities. And so, ito yung barkada ko, right? This is Mike.
And now, Mike, tayo magbarkada na tayo.
Now, I guess so, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So talk to me about what's going on in Los Angeles. I know there's a lot of Filipino Americans here. How do you pick your speaker series?
You know, I think California in general, but specifically in Los Angeles, I feel a lot of pride for the city. And LA has such a huge population of Filipinos, and you know, I think what we're doing is really picking out some of the people that are excelling in their varied fields,
yeah.
And really it's a really broad set. So we have everything from educators. We have Estelle Reyes from the Network for Teaching Entrepreneurship.
Yes, and she's coming on the show too. Yeah. And I also know a lot of my friends are actually speakers with you. AJ Calamay,
yeah,
who is an editor. He was so cool. He edited my college film called Pinoy Grease. So it's important to network with your fellow Filipino Americans.
That's right, and it's just like we're trying to highlight the rich and varied talents of the Filipino people, and I'm trying to highlight people specifically that are engaged in the LA community. You know, and I think because there are so many Filipinos here, there's a tendency for it to be a little bit disjointed, and you know what we would like to happen is for everyone to really come together, and you know, so everyone's barkada, right? You know,
yes.
like, and we can all help each other out and in our respective fields.
Okay, I have one question.
Sure.
Is there going to be food at these events? Because I'm there.
There's going to be lots of food.
Okay,
so
count me in.
Anything that has to do with Filipinos, there has to be a lot of food.
Okay,
right? This
great.
is what we do. We break bread, right?
Right.
So we're actually having.
And this is open to the public?
This is open to the public. We're going to have food from people like John Eric Concordia, the Park's Finest.
Yummy! They were just featured, right? They were featured.
They've been on TV, on the Food Network, and several other places. We have the Buttermilk Truck is providing us with their ube donuts.
Uy, sarap!
Yeah,
You're making me hungry. Ano ba?
Yeah. Lots of stuff. We're gonna have
okay, so talk to us about if people want to get connected, where would they go?
Yeah. So yeah, to get connected, they could just go to our website, www.nextdaybetter.com. You could also find us in on Twitter, on Facebook, etc. But what I want to challenge people and really invite people to do is connect with your local city curators,
Perfect.
Especially Mike.
Okay, great. So maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Magbarkada na tayo ngayon.
Yes.
Thank you, Ryan. We'll have you back on the show definitely in the future when you come back. Maraming salamat po sa pagnood nyo ng Kababayan Today. Next Day Better. You need to know about them, so look them up. Maraming salamat po.